Just a day before Independence Day, a Jaish terror module has been busted in Jammu. 4 Jaish terrorists and their associates have been arrested by Jammu and Kashmir police. The terrorists were planning an attack before Independence Day by planting a motorcycle IED at important destinations to disrupt peace. Terrorists were asked to carry out recce of Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi temple site, also Panipat oil refinery, by handlers sitting in Pakistan. Jaish commander in Pakistan by the name of Munazir Shahid had asked the arrested terrorists to collect weapons from Amritsar, which were to be dropped by drones and then distributed. 1 pistol, 1 magazine, 8 live rounds and 2 Chinese hand grenades have been recovered from the terrorist. Sunil G. Bhatt is getting asked more details on that story from Jammu. Sunil, this is a major victory because the threat, especially around Independence Day, always remains. But busting a module, especially when we have a new headache with the manner in which the terrorists there, with support from Pakistan, are using drones also, isn't it? Okay, we'll just go across to my colleague Sunil G. Bhatt in a bit.
Absolutely, Sneha. It's a major success for the Jammu and Kashmir police. Ahead of the Independence Day, Jaish-e-Mohammed's terror module has been busted. I have with me Additional Director General of Police, Jammu Zone, Mr. Mukesh Singh. Yes, Sneha, it's a major success for the security forces here in Jammu and Kashmir. Jaish-e-Mohammed's terror module has been busted ahead of the Independence Day. I have with me Mr. Mukesh Singh. He's the Additional Director General of Police, Jammu Zone. I will directly talk to him. Mr. Singh, it's a big victory for the Jammu and Kashmir police ahead of the Independence Day. Sir, we understand that Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya and Panipat oil refinery were on the hit list of the terrorists. What more can you tell us about this entire terror conspiracy?
In the past few days, a big terrorist commander of Jaish-e-Mohammed by the name Shahid Ilyas Munazir, this fellow was trying to activate his men and his group in J&K and trying to develop people to carry out attacks at various places in J&K as well as outside J&K. In this process, he had recruited 4 people. We first arrested Saifullah, from whom pistols and grenades were recovered about 20 days back. And subsequently, we followed up with this information and interrogated and then subsequently developed more information on this module. And we were able to arrest 3 more people. One of them, Tausif, is a person from South Kashmir. He had done a reconnaissance of Jammu city on the instructions of Shahid of Jaish-e-Mohammed. He's a Pakistani terrorist based in Pakistan. So he had done a reconnaissance of Jammu district, and he was supposed to procure a motorcycle on which an IED would be planted, and a vehicle-based IED would have been blasted in Jammu district.
So the terrorists had, planned to carry out an IED, blast in Jammu city on Independence Day.
Yes, on or before Independence Day, this was planned and this has been averted. This person has been arrested. Similarly, in the run-up to 15th August, another person by the name of Izhar, he is from Shamli in UP. He was asked to do reconnaissance of the Panipat oil refinery as well as Ayodhya. And in this process, he had already done a reconnaissance of Panipat oil refinery once and had sent the videos across to his terrorist commander in Pakistan. He was also supposed to receive weapons which would have been dropped by drones near Amritsar border, and this could not take place because he was arrested before he could collect weapons and before he could do the final reconnaissance of the Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi.
Sir, 4 terrorists have been arrested. Were they arrested in Jammu only, or one of them was arrested in Uttar Pradesh?
Yeah, they have been arrested from different places. The person from Shamli has been arrested from Uttar Pradesh. The rest have been arrested from J&K.
Sir, did you work closely with Uttar Pradesh police as well as with Punjab police on this matter?
Yes, UP police has helped us quite a bit in arresting this fellow called Izhar. On his disclosures, we have got so many thinks about the plans of Jaish-e-Mohammed outside Jammu and Kashmir.
Sir, tell us more about the conspiracy. You know, there was a conspiracy to target the Panipat oil refinery as well as, Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya. What was the whole plan of the terrorists?
See, the plan was multifarious. There were three parts to this plan. One was to supply weapons which would have been dropped by drones, and these weapons would have been then sent to the terrorists who are active in the Kashmir Valley. That was one part of the plan. The other part of the plan was to do something big in Jammu, for which a person from South Kashmir had been brought to Jammu who has been arrested now. His name is Tausif. He was supposed to carry out a vehicle-based IED blast in Jammu. And the third part of the plan was to do major terror actions outside Jammu and Kashmir. And Panipat oil refinery and Ayodhya were the two targets which was there on their mind.
Sir, are we going to expect more arrests in this entire case?
We are working further on these modules. On the disclosures of these terrorists, more arrests are likely.
Sir, what about the security measures both in Srinagar as well as in Jammu as far as the celebrations are concerned, Independence Day?
We have strengthened the security system which is in place. We are on high alert, and we will foil any designs of the ANEs.
Okay.
Sneha, so clearly you just heard from the Additional Director General of Police, Jammu Zone. He has said that there was a conspiracy by the terrorists to target Panipat oil refinery as well as Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi. So a major terror plot has been foiled by the alert security forces, particularly Jammu and Kashmir police here in J&K.
That's right. Sunilji, thanks so much for getting us up to speed.